Oh, the GoPro? Oh yeah. See, look, check it out.
Oh my gosh, that is so
awesome. Greetings everyone, this is Antoine with Chamber Heart Photography, and I'm going to show you my 2-light portrait setup. Okay, so the first look, we're going with the sci-fi galactic look with Chatty Boom. So all this footage is being shot on my GoPro, either on my chest mount or on top of the camera itself. So my main light is a Flashpoint mono light and a 48-inch softbox, further away from the background. Reason being is that I don't want too much light hitting the background, because I still want that moody and dramatic look. I use an AD200 with a blue reflector attached to it right behind her to the left side to get some nice blue highlights on her hair and the left side of her body. And then I use a big old silver reflector to fill in some shadows, but not too much shadows, so I put it a little bit further away from her. Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Chin up. Yeah, like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I gotta see your shot. I really like that shot.
funny.
Really
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
that's really nice. It motivates me.
For the headshots, I put the softbox a little closer to her, and then I put that giant reflector right underneath her to fill in some shadows and create some nice catch lights in her eyes. Alright, so let's look at the next theme. So we use a smoke machine to give this setup a spooky vibe. I've used that same AD200 right next to the smoke machine without the filter to give the smoke some nice glow. And I put that main light almost at a 45-degree angle. The backdrop was fabric and it was extremely wrinkly. So what I did, I positioned my second light towards the backdrop to blow it out, meaning getting as much light as possible on the backdrop so the wrinkles won't be there, basically, to get that pure white look. Do that again? I like that pose. Yeah. Nice. For this grungy rock look, I raised my main light a little higher to create more shadows underneath her chin and her nose to get that really moody look to her face. I also used my second light to create some highlights on her hair and the jacket. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm going to be doing a lot more of these, so subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.